What's going on, my beautiful people? I know I always say that, but you guys are beautiful, and I appreciate every one of you. Um, well, today, we're gonna, I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit about the new sponsor, which is awesome, and I'm gonna install the last window visor. Um, these, I installed all the other ones out of off camera, because they are a pain in the ass. So here, let me show you guys. So they look like this is just pollen, which, but yeah, see, like, I don't know why they don't stay, they don't, like, I don't know, it's very weird. I mean, I don't really know if I'm doing it correctly or not, because this is kind of like that, and I don't know. It's a lot of stuff, but yeah, I was able to put I was able to put all the other ones on, um, and then I'm just gonna give it a quick wash because the pollen is killing it. Thankfully, it's not sitting like my wife's car under a tree. And earlier today, I'm a little tan. We went to Aquatica with the family, which is a good time. And but earlier today, I was washing my wife's car, and by the wipers, it had mountains of like leaves and pollen, and I was like, oh my god, that's crazy. And it took a while for me to actually take all that out, but I got it out, um, and we are going to install the last one, which is a pain in the ass. And I'm just gonna sit you guys on the tripod and do a little time lapse of me installing it. Once I'm done, then I'll explain um, what's going on with the sponsorship and who is the sponsor, who is the new sponsor. Some of you may know because I got a little excited, um, and I told a couple of you guys, so I get excited very quickly. Honestly, even if I got sponsored by Dollar Tree, I still would be so excited. I know that's kind of lame, but any sponsorship it means the world to me, just because um, you know this is just something that I do part-time. It's not something that I do full-time. um, and when I can do it, I do it, and when I can't do it, I won't do it, um, because family and work and school takes most of my time. But I'm just happy that it happened, and I just want to keep pushing for other people to support my build. And I'll explain that in a little bit. I'm gonna put you guys down on this trash can, and let's do a time lapse. All right, so we finally just, it was a quick wash, but let me just point out something that I thought it was really funny. I don't know if you guys saw the girl that was next to me. You can kind of compare the two, uh, and you can see how a women washes her car, and then how we men, car guys, whatever, wash our cars. We actually go through the whole car, soap it and everything, and then we dry it afterwards. She just washed it and left after that. She didn't dry it. She didn't, I mean, I didn't do the wheels. I didn't go the whole thing because, I mean, they're still pretty clean, but I mean, I just thought it was kind of funny that she did that. No hard feelings to her. I don't even know her, but anyways, I just want to close it down here. And I want to tell you guys about the new sponsor. Very happy, super excited to work with them and be a part of their team and do something. And I look forward to the future of whatever the future may hold or may bring. But Grip Royal was kind enough, and I'm honored to be a part of them, to look at my car and look at my previous cars and look at my view and my goal of where I'm trying to take this car. And they were awesome enough and kind enough to say welcome to their team, to their family, and I could not be any more excited than I am. I'm super happy, because I feel like finally it's starting to take a turn, and it's starting to really move forward with this stuff. And you know, I don't really want to do it for that, but I do want to put myself out there, just in case if it was to, I guess you could say, take off or whatever. Sorry guys, so my camera died, go figures. I forgot to bring the spare battery. I want to thank Grip Royal so much for being a part of this build and taking just a look at us. It honors me and it humbles me, and it means the world. So I want to thank them from the bottom of my heart for just making me a part of their family. But whatever the future may hold, that's up to the future. Again guys, this is pretty much it. Those visors were a pain in the butt. I'm glad I got that one to look good, mounted properly, and kind of got the car wiped down. But thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. You know what it is guys, just give it some love. And if you don't like it, if you think that I should do something, or you guys want to see something with me and my son, whatever, maybe prank mom or whatever it is, just let me know in the comments. If you don't like it, if you like it, if you loved it, if you didn't love it, just let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much. Much love. Have a blessed one guys. Peace.
In the end, time forever favors the young. And we said, this has only just begun. In the end, time forever favors the young.